but we have inherited colonial systems and structures, and they're still going. It's part of the love-hate relationship that Anishinaabe people have with schools. On the one hand, there's the history, schools that kept cemeteries for kids and unmarked graves for kids. And now everyone wants us to love schools. And that doesn't always land right. Also, schools that very effectively worked to eradicate Indigenous languages and identities. And although we don't keep unmarked graves for kids at schools anymore, or at least I should hope not, the systems still center and do a good job of holding up English and even French, the colonial languages, and do a very poor job of supporting or centering. And so while we want education credentials and access to economic opportunity for our kids, we do not want to hold them under the waters of colonization until they have no idea who they are. We want education, but we don't want colonization, and it's hard to separate them.